Introducing Simple Green Lime Calcium Surface Residue Remover, our newest commercial-grade cleaner and descaler. This cleaning powerhouse is both safer and stronger than our prior lime scale formula, and easily removes even tough built-up mineral deposits, hard water stains, lime scale, and soap scum. It also removes light rust and restores clarity and shine to stainless steel, chrome, and other metal surfaces. Great for cleaning bathrooms, faucets, fixtures, even drains and pipes. This versatile product can also be used to remove efflorescence from concrete and masonry. It can clean and flush AC condensers. It even clears mineral deposits from sprinklers and hard water stains from outdoor lighting. And it's NSF registered as a cleaner for food contact surfaces. That's a powerful clean. That's the power of Simple Green.